Tired of complicated payment integrations that leave you pulling your hair out? Let's dive right into how to add a Stripe payment button to your website in just a few easy steps, making accepting payments a breeze. First, you'll need a Stripe account. If you don't have one, head over to Stripe's website and sign up. It's a quick and straightforward process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the payment links section. This is where the magic happens. Click on payment links, then click the create payment link button. Now, it's time to customize your payment link. Enter the product name, description, and price. Make sure the price is accurate. You can also add an image to make it more appealing. Next, configure the after payment setup. Stripe offers many options, from displaying a confirmation message to redirecting customers to a specific thank you page on your website. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Once you're happy with the setup, click the Create Link button in the upper right-hand corner. You will then see a link that will send you to a Stripe payment form. To add a button to your website, click the Copy Code button. This will copy the HTML code for your payment button. Now, go to your website's HTML editor, wherever that may be, and paste the code where you want the Stripe payment button to appear. Save your changes. And that's it. Your Stripe payment button should now be live on your website. Start accepting payments with these and watch your sales grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.